In this tutorial today, I will be showing you how to do the half treble crochet or half triple crochet. This is actually a really fun stitch to do. You can see how it patterns really pretty. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So for this tutorial, you will be doing any chain multiple you would like. I am just going to go ahead and chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once we have our 15, or any multiple, you want to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and find that 4th loop from the hook right there. So you'll want to yarn over once and yarn over twice. So now we have 3 loops on here. Insert your hook into the 4th stitch. We'll go through 1, 2, and then you have these 3. You want to go through all 3. So let's go ahead and do that again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Insert your hook. Want to pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through all 3. Yarn over once, twice. Insert our hook. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through all 3. 1, 2. Insert your hook. 1, 2, and all 3. And you want to do this all the way to the end of the row. When you're first starting out learning how to do, see, I even made my own mistake. Let's try that again. Insert 1, 2, 3. When doing this stitch, just take your time with it when you're first starting out. It's one of those that is very easy to be confused on what you're trying to do. Even I'm struggling a little bit talking and doing this at the same time, but that's okay. That's what makes this fun. So insert 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over twice. Insert 1, 2, 3. And a lot of times when I'm crocheting, I do find it helpful to always keep it counted in my head just a little bit. Just seems to help. So we're at the last stitch. So 1, 2, insert your hook. 1 loop, 2 loops, 3 loops. Go ahead and turn your work. So chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over once, twice. Insert your hook. And we'll pull through once, twice, and 3 times. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Insert your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Insert. 1, 2, 3. Insert. 1, 2, 3. And we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. Just remember to keep a sense of humor about the whole entire thing. It's a learning process, even if you've been doing this for years like I have. Mistakes happen. Just makes it more fun. Alright, we're at the last 2 stitches. So insert 1, 2 loops, 3 loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook. We'll pull through once, and then 2 loops twice, then 3 loops. And there you have it. And this is how you do a half triple or treble crochet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know down in the comments what project you'll be doing with the half treble crochet. I post videos every Monday, so hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when the videos have been posted. I hope you have a happy, joyful crochet day.